Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to scan your document using the Google's file manager. So for this guys, first you need to update the file manager app from the Google Play Store. Open the Play Store and search files by Google. After updating, just open it, okay? And then here in the home screen of your file manager, you can get the option scan. If you want to scan any document, just tap on scan option and it will open the scanner on your phone and select your document which you want to scan like this. Here you can get the two option, automatic scan and manual. So I am selecting auto capture and then it will automatically capture your document, as you can see guys. So with this help of new feature guys, you can easily able to scan the document. Now you don't need to use any third-party app to scan your documents. So just update the file manager from the Play Store and you can get this option feature on your phone. You can also filter the document like this. As you can see guys, you can get lots of filter to clear your document. Just select auto, it will scan and then click on apply. It will save the document on your phone, as you can see guys. So this is the very nice and very useful feature added in the file manager. So hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.